Hi, I'm Paul from AECS and I have a question for you. Is your workshop ready for ADAS and the calibrations surrounding those advanced driver assistance systems? If you're looking to calibrate adaptive cruise control systems, forward collision warnings, advanced emergency brakes and lane departure warnings and other safety systems like it, you're going to need to use panels like this and others like it for specific brands in conjunction with Jaltest, the world's leading multi-brand scan tool for commercial vehicles, big trucks and buses and light commercial vehicles, etc. Those panels are essential. The tool is essential to do these calibrations. And if you'd like to know more about these ADAS calibrations, keep watching. At the end of the video, our details will come up and you're more than welcome to call us and discuss ADAS with myself or the team. We'll only be too happy to tell you all about it.